Hello friends, this is Sarvaja Chakrabarti and you are watching Smart Learning with SC. At our last video, we were discussing about decimal to binary number conversion. Today we will be discussing floating decimal to binary number and vice versa. So let us begin. Let us take an example like 12.63. If we have to convert these floating decimal numbers to binary, we have to separate this into two parts. First one is 12 plus 0.63 likewise. So firstly we have to convert this to a part into binary, then in middle we have to give a full stop, and after it we will convert this part in binary terms. So let us begin. So 12, after we divide, binary means, as we know from our previous video, that binary means dividing by 2. There will be 2 digits only, 0 and 1. So we will be dividing 12 by 2. So it will give us 6 and remainder will be 0. After dividing it again by 2, it will give us 3 and remainder will be 0. 2 likewise give with 1 and 1. So we reached our last position. So we'll be writing is like opposite manner, as we know, 1 1 0 0. So we'll write it 1 1 0 0. So we'll put here a dot, and here as we have converted 12 into in terms of binary, we will now convert 0.63 in terms of zeros and ones. So let us begin. 0.63. So when we convert floating numbers in binary, there is a technique that we have to multiply by 2. We'll till now we are dividing by 2 all the numbers, natural numbers, but now we have to multiply floating number by 2. So this is the main difference between floating number and normal number. So in floating number, the floating part we have to multiply by 2. So it will give us 63 into 2, 612, 126. So it will be 1.26. Now this is the interesting part. We have to take this 1 out and write here 1, and the remainder will be 0.26, as 1.26 minus of 1 is equal to 0.26. So similarly we have to multiply by 2 till how much we have required. So we will take here at 3 decimal places. So we will be multiplying it by 3 times. So it will be how much? It will be 0.52. Okay, it will be 0.52. So the here the value is 0. So we will write here 0. Again 0.52 into 2. Oh, sorry, 52 into 2. It will give us 1.04. So here we will get here 1. So this is our zeros and ones, 1, and we will write here till now we are writing from bottom to top. So but here we will write from top to bottom. So 101. So we will write here 101. So this is our conversion from floating decimal to binary. It was the 12.63 base 10. So now we will be getting the vice versa. How? So first of all we have to divide it in two parts. 1 1 0 0. So we'll write here 1 means the first term, which is our full number. So here we'll write 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 0 into 2. From extreme right we will write putting here 2 to the power 0, 1, 2 and 3. So 2 cubes are 8 plus 2 square 4, it will be 0. Rest of the part will be 0. So we will not put it. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. So we have the number 12. Now the main part, the floating one. So here, as we know, we are multiplying by 2 to the power 0 to 1s and 2s in the time of natural number, but it is the floating one. So we have to multiply by the first term into 2 plus the second term into 2 plus the third term into 2. But here we will be putting, as we know, the number line. In the number line there is 0, 1, 2 and the opposite side it is -1, -2. Likewise it in up to minus infinity it will be minus infinity and it is plus infinity. So this is our number line. So likewise we will be putting here 2 to the power -1, 2 to the power -2 and 2 to the power -3. So as we know, 0 into something will be 0 and this value will be 2 to the power -1 plus 2 to the power -3. So we will be calculating 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cube. It will be 1 by 2 plus 1 by 8. Whole value will be 8. You can check here if you have any query or 2, 4, 2 into 1 into 4, it will be 8. So I reiterate, and 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. 4 into 1 is 4 plus 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So here will be 5 by 8. So now we will be dividing it. 5 by 8, 5 give a point 0, 6, 48, 2. For the point we will put here 0, 2, 16, 4 and 5. Here is 0 and 5 8 is 40. So it will be end up with 0. So as you can say, this is the term which we obtained from the floating one. So the floating number is 0.625, the point. So this is 12 and this is 0.625. So we will be put here 12 plus 0.625 is equal to 12.625. Now you can ask me that this is the 0.625, 12.625, and here we have written that 12.63. So there is the 0.005 difference. Why this is? So as we know, we have calculated this way, that there is some milli differences that we have not calculated, or we have mentioned only in 3 terms now. So we have missed out that part of calculation. So we have left with some error which is 0.005, and we will now end up with rounding. As we know, if there is 5 after the point, then we can convert this into one term plus 1. We can add 1 with this term. So this will be 6.3. So this is our answer. So we have converted, we have converted 1100.101 binary to decimal 12.63. So this is our number. We have converted decimal to binary, decimal to binary, and binary to again decimal in floating number. So with this said, I am signing off. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, like and share, and if you have any queries, please comment down below. Thank you.